Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's unboxing video, I got my hands on a Greenlight Collectibles Hollywood release. It's a tribute to Steve McQueen's famous movie, Bullitt, with the infamous car chase between the Ford Mustang and the Dodge Charger on the highs and lows of downtown San Francisco. If you haven't watched the movie, go and watch it, or if possible, try and watch the car chase between Steve McQueen, the King of Cool, and the bad guys around San Francisco. It's a really thrilling and fast-paced chase. I'm sure you guys are going to like it. So this one's got the Ford Mustang Fastback 1968, 1968 Dodge Charger, a 1967 Ford Custom, and a Volkswagen Beetle. Also comes with a collector's steel case, some sort of metal case. Resembles the old Hollywood style film carrier. They used to have the 70mm film wound up and placed in the reel tin and taken to different theaters depending on the times, the times they used to play the movies in different theaters. But now it's all digital, of course. So yeah, they've given us a little case to keep these nice and safe. I'll get the cars out of the pack and have a closer look. I'll also put them on the turntable for you guys to have a 360-degree view of each car. Oh, that looks really nice. Okay, that's the cars, guys. On the back of it, they've got the story or the synopsis of the movie. Cool. Let's look at the cars one by one. Okay, so that's the steel case. It looks more like aluminium. Oh, that's nice, guys. That is really nice. Hollywood film reels, 4-car collector set, Steve McQueen Bullitt. It's a 1968 movie. And they've got the same thing, the story. I quite like Greenlight, guys. They have very good releases. They focus mainly on Hollywood movie cars, like your police cars, your fastbacks, your station wagons, your service vehicles. I've got a few over here just to give you guys a brief look. I'm gonna try and unbox these coming days and weeks. So yeah, that's a first responder ambulance. Pretty neat. Metal base chassis with side mirrors, tail lights, license plates, siren lights, headlights, a nice grille and the logo as well, Chevrolet. This is my all-time favorite Ford utility vehicle. Nice black and white color scheme with the siren lights, beautiful detailing in the front and the back as well. Just to show you guys one more. I love service vehicles, so I've got a decent collection of them. Alright, back to our Bullitt 4-pack. Okay. Alright, that's the first car. That's the 1968 Ford Mustang. It's famously called the Bullitt Mustang, thanks to the movie. Highland green, full metal, rubber tires, pretty neatly detailed. It's got a license plate. Quite like it. Headlights, fog lights. Simply superb, guys. I think the bonnet opens as well. Oh yeah, look at that on a 1/64 scale. Pretty neat, pretty decent. I absolutely love it. Alright, let's look at the other three now. Look at this beauty, guys. Dodge Charger RT. Pretty neat in the front. License plate, fog lights. And no side mirrors, but yeah, rubber wheels, metal chassis. Beautiful detailing. Tail lights, exhaust, a little license plate. Simply beautiful. I think that one's got an opening bonnet as well. Oh, maybe not. Oh, no, it does. Oh, slightly detailed. This is another beauty as well. 1967 Ford Custom. That's a pretty neat release. Headlights. There's no license plate on this one. It's got tail lights, chrome bumpers. That's a neat release as well. Love the rims on that one. And I'm pretty sure the bonnet, yep, opens on this one too. This is nice, guys. Okay, last one in the pack is a Volkswagen Beetle. Headlights, blinkers, but no license plate in the front. Rubber tires. Oh, this one's actually plastic. Okay, that's pretty strange for a Greenlight. Oh well. Cool. I'll put them on the turntable now so you guys can have a 360 view of the cars. Alright guys, first car on the turntable is the Ford Mustang Fastback from the year 1968. It's got a beautiful dark Highland green. I don't know if you guys can see it properly or clearly on camera, but if I can probably zoom in a little bit. Yep. All right, and let's put the next car, the Dodge Charger RT. I love the rims on this one. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit to show you guys the rims. Yep. Okay, it's got the opening hood as well. Okay, next one is the 67 Ford Custom. Beautiful gray. I really love the rims on this one. And that's got the opening hood as well. Okay, let's put the last car in today's unboxing video, the green Volkswagen Beetle. Sadly, that one doesn't have any metal chassis or opening parts, just a beautiful green and a white interior and vintage style rims and wheels, tires. I quite like it, but the other three pretty much highlights and stand out. Alright guys, that's the 4 cars we saw today. The 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback, the 1968 Dodge Charger RT, the 1967 Ford Custom, and the Volkswagen Beetle. I'll just open the hoods of all 3. I'm just going to pack them back in the collector's tin. Alright, that's the cars back in the pack, guys. I'm gonna put the lid over it. And that's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay blessed. God bless you all.